Hi everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to make a toxic-free, healthy toothpaste. The main ingredients are coconut oil, turmeric, and baking soda. But there are other ingredients you can add to make your own special recipe. Let's get started. I'll start by using coconut oil. For this video, I'll use 1 tablespoon. I'll weigh it too. And the reason, only because if I come up with a really great recipe, I want to remember what it is. So it's about 11 grams. Next, I'll use a small amount of turmeric. Be careful, it's a little messy and can stain. I like to use turmeric for its health benefits. It's an antibiotic, an antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory. It's a member of the ginger family. It's been used in Asia for consumption for thousands of years. And the third main ingredient is baking soda. This will give more cleaning power with a little bubbling action. The fun part is experimenting with different amounts of all the ingredients to make your personal toothpaste. Now, some of the other ingredients I like to add for abrasiveness and a little flavor are salt and erythritol. And just a little. Erythritol is a sweetener. If you don't want to use it, you could use a few drops of vanilla extract or peppermint extract for flavor. You can keep it in a small dish, or you can put it in a baggie, a little Ziploc. Now, the temperature of the oil in the cooler weather is much nicer for its consistency. You'll see that it doesn't melt, and it's a liquid in the summertime, so you might want to keep it in the refrigerator for use. But it still will work well if it's melted, so don't worry about that. If you don't like the brownish yellow color, you could even add a drop of food coloring. And we'll just stir it around. I like the consistency of the coconut oil now in the cooler temperature. But I have made it and put it in the refrigerator in the hot summer. And again, all the amounts really doesn't matter. The only reason you need to keep track is if you come up with one that you really like the flavor and the consistency and the texture. Also, cinnamon is a good flavor to add too. And you can keep it in a small dish like this, or one with a cover, or you can put it in a little Ziploc like this for little disposable bags. And you can even clip the end off with a scissor and use it as a paste. So that works kind of cool too.
There you have it. I hope you give it a try. I'll put some information about turmeric and the other ingredients in the description below. See you next time.